Okay, so I thought I would do an update on Millie because I haven't done one in a while. She's doing really well. She still mouth breathes. She's still sore in her front leg there, but she's getting fat. Look at that. And she's doing a lot better. So she's been out grazing. She goes grazing during the day. She just runs the whole place, so she can come and go in the barn anytime she wants. She has free choice alfalfa 24/7 and grain. So also all these guys are officially getting weaned. They're not happy about it. Everybody will be getting banded. Their horns banded, the ones that we didn't dehorn, in just a couple weeks. So that's what's going on over here with all the kiddos. I will have a couple doings available. Probably that solid black one, maybe this brown one, and maybe one more. I haven't decided completely. So if you're in the search for a Nigerian, I will have two ready to go pretty soon. We also have a new guard dog for out here. Her name's Miley. She is a Anatolian Shepherd and Great Pyrenees. She came from the Pfeiffer Ranch in Oklahoma. So we're super excited for her, or about her. Her parents are awesome dogs. So, and then I also have Maple, who is due in just a couple weeks, actually. The end of this month. She's due. She is bred to Boomer, our Nigerian, black and white Nigerian buck. So super excited to see that. You found it. Thank you. Oh, here's Touchy. Oh, you know what, Touchy? I have something for you. Okay, so I got a new tube of Probias. Watch this. Touchy! Touchy, you want some? Do you want some? Hold on, it's not coming out. Oh. You want some, Cal?
Actually, we gotta go throw hay. Have you already threw hay to the boys?
Yeah. Just early, just while ago. Okay, that's it. You're ridiculous. We are planning to have Christmas babies out of Touchy. Yeah, we got some milk. Some of that's for Miley. Yep. Let's go give Miley some.